Welcome to CerviSpectraDiag app. Here we will see how doctor will register for this particular app with name, doctor ID, date of the birth and password. Then he or she will click into the register button and there will be a message that the registration is successful. Okay, this is how this particular app works. Now once the registration process is completed, doctor will go back to the click on the login button, and after filling up the login details, the overall dashboard for that particular app will appear in front of him or her. Okay. Now, what will happen in this particular dashboard? Doctor will fill up the patient registration details like patient ID, patient password, and will click on to the register new patient button. So message will appear like patient P004 registration has been completed, where the P004 is the patient ID. Now doctor will load the corresponding spectra of the cervical region for that particular patient. Here like corresponding grade has appeared, predicted grade is grade 1, and the corresponding explanation generation has appeared, which will guide the patient for their treatment. This is editable for the editable by the doctor. Okay. Now what will happen, that there is an option like chat with our CerviSpectraDiag board. So bilingual interaction option is available. Apart from English, the report can be seen in Hindi also. Doctor will type translate in Hindi and click on the send button. So in this case, once the process is completed like this, there will be a corresponding explanation available in Hindi also, which may guide the patients if required. So not only the predicted grade of the precancerous region, here you can see the patient guidance from this particular app in English and the Hindi version. As you can see on the screen, the corresponding translation in Hindi has also appeared. Now, like I told you, this is editable. So what doctor is doing, the message for the patient, okay, he is adding one input like book the appointment immediately. Along with the app generated message, doctor has given his or her input in this particular app, and then he or she will click on the save report button. So the report will reach to the patient accordingly. There is another option like chat with patient, like we have seen earlier, chat with the CerviSpectraDiag board. Chat with patient option is also available. So there, if doctor wish, he or she may put some message for the patient also. Okay, so corresponding patient ID will receive that particular message. Like here, doctor is typing, check the report. After completing that, he or she will click on the send button. Now, if doctor wish, he or she may log out from this particular app. This is the time when we should also see that how patient will interact with the app. So what he or she will do, basically she will fill up her details in this particular app and then log into the system. So let us see the entire process for the patient as well. So patient has clicked on the login button and typing her ID and the password. After clicking to the login button, there you can see there are two options of reading the entire interaction. One is the English and another one is the Hindi. Okay, so let us see in English. So there is an option like downloading the report. So as you can see, the report is available in English only, the PDF version downloadable report. Otherwise, there are bilingual options. So then what patient is doing, she already has booked the appointment for the doctor. Appointment request has gone to the doctor. So now she is typing that I have booked the appointment, and then clicked on the send button. And after that, there is a common query, may I know your fees, so that she can have the idea of her affordability in terms of the treatment from the doctor. And then she may log out to the system Now what will happen, the doctor will click onto the login button. So there will be doctor ID and the password, okay, which will doctor fill up and click on the login button. So he is giving up the input like after seeing the query ₹500 as our fee, and then clicking on the confirm button so that the booking confirmation can be done. And then what, after doing this, doctor may drop a message for the patient that I have accepted your appointment. And then he or she will click onto the send button so that the patient can receive that particular message. Then we will see that how the patient will interact in the next step through this app. So after filling up the login details for her, the patient will reach to her dashboard. After seeing all the inputs given by the doctor, she may type like thanks for accepting the appointment. And send the message to the doctor. So I hope you got the idea of how the overall CerviSpectraDiag app operates. Thank you for watching.